Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, it's Adrian here, the founder behind CallFluent AI, and in this demo, I'm going to build a working AI phone agent that gives you the ability to book appointments, have text follow-ups, and then call it live on my actual screen. Let's get started. You have two options, can inbound or outbound. Let's do inbound for this example. Now, we're not going to start from scratch, even though you could. You have many more templates, already created agents, so you can move fast. Let's go ahead and pick one that actually is going to help us demonstrate the booking capabilities of an agent. We can either do restaurants, insurance, or beauty services. Let's just go with Skylar and save and continue. But because we selected a template, everything comes pre-filled. You don't have to do anything. And then we can have a welcome message. Now, the welcome message delay, we can put this to 0. We don't need it. We can leave call recordings on. We also have voicemail detection. Now, everything here is pre-filled. We also added some new agent types that you can choose in the 2.0. Let's say go appointment setter. Also, there's a lot of new options in the tone of the agent. Awesome. Now, the goal is already pre-created for us. We just need to replace a couple of placeholders here and there. Let's say new age, age beauty. And pretty much that's all you have to do. Just swap a couple of placeholders and your agent is ready to go. Now click submit. And that is all. Last step, you can put your agent on any website by embedded a simple form. Just copy and paste it in your website anywhere. You can use pop-up widgets, inline widgets, or even a link. Or you can even use webhooks and add fields that you want to use. But for more advanced, you can find trainings inside. Now we can give it a call right now. But before we do that, I want to show you that you can also add knowledge base. So you can add your files like price lists or whatever you feel appropriate. Last but not least, I want to show you how we add actions to the agents. It's very simple. We have a list of actions that agents can do in call or post call. Let's go with Google Calendar, give it a name. Okay, now give it a meeting title, like booked customer. Now we're not going to allow multiple bookings. We can send confirmation SMS. We can give it a meeting description. Now in the instructions, you can use plain English to tell agents when this action should be triggered. Like create a booking calendar once user confirms, an agent confirms. Better. Booking slot available. Yeah. Now meeting details. Here you can set the availability to check. Like let's select 1 month. Booking time like 1 hour. Also, you can set weekdays like Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to, let's say, you can even put different weekends timing, or you can just turn it off. Because it's a beauty salon, let's just turn it off for this demo. I'll create action. And that's how simple it was to create a booking action. Now, before we call it, let's just create one more action and let that be send an email to the customer confirmation. We want to send this email to customer that your booking is confirmed. Same principles. You can just put plain English instructions of when this automation should be triggered. You can put whatever content in the email you want and just save it and it's done. Just create action and that's it. And of course, we have many more actions that you can choose from, like call forwarding, sending text SMS, webhooks, Zapier integration, data collections, go high level calendars, and many more. Okay, this is it. Now let's go ahead and actually do that live call.
Hey, welcome to New Age Beauty Salon.
Yeah, I'd like to book a reservation, please.
I can help you book an appointment right now. Which service would you like to schedule?
I'd like to schedule a haircut.
I can schedule a haircut for you. Do you have a preferred stylist, or should I book whoever is available?
You can choose whoever is available, that's fine.
I'm checking available weekday times so we can pick a good slot. Please share your preferred week.
How about tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Tuesday at 2 p.m. Your haircut is booked for Tuesday at 2 p.m. What name and phone number should I use for the confirmation text?
It's Adrian, and the phone number is plus.
I've noted Adrian with +40. Your booking details are saved for confirmation. That's the phone number for confirmation texts. What email address should I send the confirmation email to?
It's ISFA.
Let me quickly confirm that email and get your confirmation sent. Your confirmation is on its way by email and text. Is there anything else you'd like to add for your haircut visit?
No, that would be it. Thank you so much.
You're all set for Tuesday at 2 p.m. If anything changes, just call us. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Now, how amazing was this? And we can check my calendar and see if the booking is actually there. Oh, look at that. 14, so it's my local time. On 9th of June, already booked customer for beauty. Awesome. It's all there. And it just took me minutes to set up this kind of agent for any kind of business. Also, we can have the full call history. We can download the recording, the transcript, everything. You can find this in call history, and you can even look over the full transcript on this menu. Okay, and everything that happened during the call, actions are also filled over here, so you can check them real time. Look at that Google Calendar booked, and yeah, the rest of the call is there. Email has been sent. With these powerful features, all the businesses need to implement this to survive. And CallFluent AI 2.0 is your answer, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area shortly.